Okay, so I just wanted to show you a real quick way that you can make some Quizalize sets using Quizlet, especially as you head into review. So I just went to Quizlet and typed in global regions so you can be more specific depending on what your topic you're reviewing is. I want to pick one that has some pictures. So I'm going to do this one right here. So this is obviously not mine. So I am going to click here. I'm going to customize. And when I customize, I just have to name it, rename it. I can go ahead and delete or change anything here. So that I'm going to create it. So this is what I'm going to use to make my Quizalize set. So I'm going to go back to Quizalize, and then I'm going to use this in my sample set. I want to assign a new activity. I want to create a quiz. I'm going to name it Global. And I'm going to import from Quizlet. So you can do multiple choice, fill in the blank, or free text. So I'm just going to keep it multiple choice. I'm going to go back to Quizlet. I'm going to hit these three dots. I'm going to go to export. I want the image links. I'm going to copy the text, go back to Quizalize. I'm going to paste the text and submit it. You're going to add your own questions. You have to do it after this or it will delete all the ones you've done previously. So it just takes a minute to populate. You can preview the quiz right here. You can preview the quiz right here. It takes a minute to load here, and you can go ahead and answer. Oh, I was just lucky. Okay, you can preview that, but you see I have 109 questions, so you probably don't want all those questions. So if I go down here, and I want to save this to my resources. So then when I want to take this global review and give it to a class, I usually just do play in class, but you can go around here. It just gives you different options. I love scheduling for later so that when they come in, so if their class time is, let's say it's at, 1, I can start it at 1:04, and then I can also end it before the class period ends. So I'll go 1, let's say that ends at 1:47, and then I can save it, so that'll be the start and end time. I typically turn off the sounds in the timer. The attempts, depends on how you want to do this. You can give them as many as you want. And then the number of questions, this is the set that you have a whole bunch. So maybe you just want them to do 40 questions. You want the advanced options to randomize it. They can see their results. I'm not sure if Quizalize will give, or Quizlet will give them this. It depends. Sometimes it turns showing the correct answer off. It just depends on what your purpose is. So then you go ahead and assign the activity. And this is where you could give them a Khan Academy assignment. You could give them the next activity to do, depending on how they do. But we're going to skip that for now. And then, so you just have your students either give them the zzI.sh link or have them open a new tab and type that in. Get this code. They'll go ahead and play it, and then you will see all of their data here. It really is awesome. As you click through there, you'll find what you need. And you can have the kids take this as a baseline before you start the review or before you start the unit. And then at the end, you can see their growth, and you really can see some what you need to teach or reteach as you see the results. So hopefully this is helpful. If you need anything, let me know. I can scoot over there.